Green tea weight loss plan. Many people are now turning to inexpensive and natural green tea weight loss plans to help them in their weight control efforts. It is simple too. Green tea can be drunk like any other tea, usually without milk or sweeteners, or if you do not like the taste you can purchase green tea extract. Research has shown that green tea helps to reduce weight by stimulating the body's thermogenesis process, which increases the expenditure of energy and the oxidation of fat in the body. Many compounds found in plants have this effect. The special thing about green tea is that it does not increase the heart rate, and is therefore believed to be safer than diet pills such as ephedrine that also work by stimulating thermogenesis. A lot of people who are overweight have or are at risk of developing hypertension and other cardiovascular problems, so the fact that green tea does not put pressure on the heart makes it a good choice. Ephedrine is not usually recommended if you are in this group, but green tea is considered a safe option. It means that you can gradually increase your exercise levels without increasing your risk of heart problems. There are only two ways to lose weight. One way is by eating less, consuming fewer calories, and the other is by increasing expenditure of energy, using up more calories. Green tea works by increasing output, and this can be by around 4%. Most scientists believe that this is caused by the high quantity of catechin that is in the tea and its extract. Green tea has the added benefit of containing powerful antioxidants that may be beneficial to your health in many ways, strengthening the immune system and protecting against disease. Keep in mind that green tea does contain caffeine, so you should cut out coffee and other forms of tea while you are taking it. Decaffeinated green tea is not recommended, because the chemical processes that are used to remove the caffeine may destroy the beneficial properties of the plant. At the same time, you will need to exercise control in what you eat. If you eat more to compensate for the calories that are burnt by the tea, you will not lose any weight. Keeping to the same calorific intake that you have now, and taking green tea should result in gradual weight loss and better energy levels over a few weeks. You can of course increase the speed of this by reducing calorie consumption and increasing exercise. Green tea is a simple, easy and inexpensive weight control aid that can easily be incorporated into any weight loss program. The choice of tea or extract offers something for everybody. Natural and safe, green tea weight loss should feature in your program if you want to keep the weight off permanently.